Hello everyone, today we are going to start our practice exercise on tenses. So here I have prepared some of the questions. This type of questions will come to your examination, and these questions will enable you to solve the questions on the basis of tenses. So as you know that there will be an objective type of questions on the tenses. The first question I have written here is fill in the correct answers from the alternatives given below. So it means you are having the alternatives and you have to choose the right option from that alternatives and have to fill in the blanks. The first question is, when the headmaster entered the class, a student dashed on the blackboard. So the question is talking about when means here something happened at the time of doing something, means that first thing it is in the past indefinite, it is showing that entered and it is connected with when. So the next sentence you have to remember that it must be in continuous. Previous sentence is in the past indefinite, so the next sentence will be followed by past continuous whenever it is connected with when. So here the right option will be the was writing. Why it is was writing? Because past continuous must have was as well as along with that was V4 form of the verb. So this only one sentence is having the V4 form of the verb plus was. Here V4 form of the verb is there, but it is having is. So it is not possible whenever it is having the present in past indefinite and the next sentence will not be present indefinite. So keep in your mind, whenever it is in past indefinite, the next sentence will be in the past continuous itself. So wrote will not be the answer, writes will not be the answer, is writing will also not be the answer. So what will be the right answer? Was writing will be the right answer. Next, come to the next question. Mohan dashed TV when his brother came. So here also you can check out when the sentence, two sentences are connected with when, and that second sentence is in the past tense because here V2 form of the verb is there. Which form of the verb? V2 form of the verb. Come, came, come. So here came is there, it means it is a V2 form, means past indefinite tense it is. So previous than that which tense will be followed? Yes, exactly right, that is past continuous tense. So which one is the past continuous? Yes, is writing? No. Watched? No. Watch? No. Was watching? Yes, this is the past continuous tense. V4 form of the verb is there, it is ing dear, it is not printed. Watching, WATCHING, it is WATCHING, watching. So what was going on? Mohan was watching TV when his brother came. I hope that this question is clear to you. Next, we will move to the next question. The third question is, Rohan always dashed to prove that earth moves around the sun. So here in this sentence we can come to know that Rohan always, the word always is showing that it is the habit of someone. So habits are always said in the present indefinite tense. Exactly right. To prove, what he is going to prove? That earth moves. So this is also present indefinite because moves is there, V1 plus es or es is there, so it is present indefinite tense. So that previous sentence will also be in present indefinite. Rohan always dashed to prove, so means tries, tried, trying, was trying. Was trying will not be the answer because it is past continuous tense. Is trying will not be there because it is present continuous. Tried is the past indefinite, so it will also be not there. Try is, yes, it is having that V1 plus yes, so that's why this is the right option that we can fill in this blank. Next, he saw me by chance and dashed the bus. So in this question just we have to check out which will be the right option dear. So here he saw me by chance and the two sentences are connected with and beta here. Here it is connected with and. So the first sentence is past indefinite tense and the next sentence also will be past indefinite itself because it is connected with and. whenever two sentences are connected with and, just we have to think that these two sentences will be in the same tense. So here saw me by chance, and just which one is the past indefinite here? Was stopping, it is past continuous, so it will be not be the answer. Stops, it is present indefinite. Stopped, yes, exactly, this is the past indefinite, so that's why that right answer will be and stop the bus. Next question, how many pecks of wine dash yesterday? So in this blank, which will be the right option? Were drinking, did you drink, you have drunk, drink, none of these. So just check out how many pecks of wine dash yesterday. So he is talking about how many pecks of wine you drank yesterday. So पूछने के लिए क्या what the thing he has to use, what drinking नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा? just how many pecks of wine were drinking yesterday. No, this will not be suitable for. Did you drink? Yes, exactly. How many pecks of wine did you drink yesterday? तो कल की बात पूछ रहा है तो past indefinite में चलेगा. How many pecks of wine did you drink? You have drunk, ये तो नहीं आएगा because it is present indefinite. None of these भी नहीं आएगा. And were drinking, ये past continuous भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि yesterday की बात है और yesterday में चल रहा था. He is not asking. He is asking about कि कितने पिया. So that's why did you drink will be the right answer. Next question, I was watching TV when he dash in. So see here also it is connected with when, two sentences, and here I was watching continuous, it is going on, so the next sentence will be indefinite obviously. So I was watching TV when he came in is the V2 form of the verb, so that's why it is the right option. Let's check out whether these are right or wrong. Came in, because come in, it is present indefinite होता है, so that's why this is not right. Was coming, दोनों continuous नहीं हो सकते हैं, so that's why it is also not coming. Comes, present indefinite होता है, so that's why it is also not right. So which will be the right answer? Came will be the right answer. Next, he cut his finger when he dash vegetables. So he cut his finger while he dash vegetables. So which tense it is? First of all we have to understand. So he cut is having V1, V2, V3, three forms are same. Cut. So how can we identify whether it is past indefinite or present indefinite? So here the subject is he. So whenever the subject is third person singular, that verb will have yes or es with them. So there is no yes or es in this. So that's why we can say that this is V2 form of the verb. If it is V1, it must have yes, cuts his finger while he, so it means it is past indefinite and it is connected with while. So that's why the next sentence will be, yes, exactly, past continuous, because it is connected with while. जब भी हमारा सेंटेंस while से या when से कनेक्ट हो रहा है तो हम क्या करेंगे, आगे वाला सेंटेंस पास्ट कंटिन्यूस में रखेंगे. एक कंटिन्यूस में रहेगा और एक पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट में रहेगा. सो चेकआउट, यहाँ पे पास्ट इंडेफिनाइट है तो यहाँ पे क्या रहेगा, yes, past continuous. So where is past continuous? Here is the past continuous. Was cutting. So just check out the sentence. He cut his finger while he was cutting vegetables. Yes, exactly. Our answer will be right one. So next come to that 8th question. He still remembers the day when he first dashed to church. He still remembers the day, उसको अभी भी वो दिन याद है. when he first dashed to church, he remembers. So this is present indefinite tense, so that it is connected with when. So present indefinite, when it is connected with when, the next sentence will be past continuous because it is connected with when. So where is past continuous? Was going is the right answer. So he still remembers, उसको अभी भी याद है, the day when he first, yes, was going to church. Clear? Next question, the last one. The train had left before I dashed the station. So he is telling about something. The train had left, past परफेक्ट टेंस इट इज ट्रेन हैड लेफ्ट. हैड है और लेफ्ट है तो ये कौन सा टेंस है? पास्ट Yes, perfect tense. Before I dash the station, when it is past perfect, that next sentence will be past indefinite. So the train had left before I reached the station. Not reach नहीं हो पाएगा because it is V1, तो present में चलता है. Reaches, it is also V1, तो ये भी present में चलता है. I was reaching past was past continuous, ये तो आएगा ही नहीं. So that's why that reached is the right option here. The 10th question is had he worked hard, he dash passed. What it is said, had he worked hard dash he passed. So had he worked hard, so यहाँ पे कौन सा टेंस चल रहा है, पास्ट चल रहा है, पास्ट परफेक्ट चल रहा है. इट इज शोइंग दैट हैड आया हुआ है और हमारे पास क्या है, वर्कड V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब है. एंड ही डैश पास्ड, विल हैव पास्ड, वुड हैव पास्ड, विल पास और वुड पास. सी ही विल हैव पास्ड, वुड हैव पास्ड, वुड हैव पास्ड, विल पास्ट. विल पास्ट तो आएगा ही नहीं बिकॉज विल के बाद V2 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. एंड वुड के साथ भी V2 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब आल्सो नॉट पॉसिबल. वुड हैव पास्ट एंड विल हैव पास्ट में अब हम लोगों को चेक करना है. ही had he worked hard, he will have passed. Had he worked hard, he will have passed. This is the right option here. Next, he hoped that father dash soon. He is hoping for something. So which one will be the right option here? He is hoping will come soon, come, would come, is coming. So here is coming will not be the answer because he is hoping, so present continuous will not be here. Would come and will come, come also not be there because it is also present tense. Will come, it shows that he is having the hope. Okay, so that's why he hope that father will come soon. So this one is the right option here. Sita is learning how. What Sita is learning? How dash is given. Typing, Sita is learning how typing. No, it is not giving the complete sense. Type, how type, it is also not giving. It is needed some verb here. How to type और how to typing. How to typing तो होगा ही नहीं क्योंकि इंग आ रहा है तो for typing रहेगा. तो यहाँ पे to आ रहा है तो to type infinite verb यूज किया जाएगा. These two are also not right one. Let's move to the some more questions. Someone dashed away my bike within an hour. Someone dash away my bike within an hour. किसी ने क्या कर दिया, मेरी बाइक को लेके गया within an hour, एक आवर के दरमियान. So took my bike, is taking my bike, have taken my bike and takes my bike. Takes my bike तो आएगा ही नहीं. Or took my bike, someone took away my bike within an hour. No, have taken my bike, yes, have taken my bike, is taking my bike or took bike नहीं आएगा. Have taken my bike is the right option. Next, there is not any taxi available because taxi drivers dash on strike. There is not any taxi available. कोई टैक्सी अवेलेबल नहीं है. There is not any taxi available because taxi drivers dash on strike. Have gone on strike, went on strike, will go on strike, none of these. Have gone on strike. नहीं, have gone नहीं होगा. Went on strike, yes, it will be the right answer. There is not any taxi available because taxi drivers went on strike. Strike पे जा चुके हैं. So let's start with the question number 16. The question is, they dashed the students on educational tour on next Sunday. So here the given question is about next Sunday. It is talking about the future. What it is talking about? Talking about our future plan. So to tell the future plan, which tense we use? Yes, exactly, we use the present continuous tense. So where is present continuous? Here we have to check out. Have been, no, it is or present perfect continuous tense. Have been taking, it is also present perfect continuous. Were taking, it is past continuous, so that's why it is also not right answer. Are taking, it is present continuous, so that's why this is the right option, because we used to tell that present continuous we use for telling that future plan. So here next Sunday they have planned for going to the educational tour, so that's why they are taking the student on educational tour on next Sunday will be the right answer. Next question. He has just hired a typewriter and he dash type now a day. So it is talking about now a day. It means it is all about present tense. So we have to check out which one is present here. Present is have learnt. No, it is present perfect. Is learning is present, and will learn, it will not be the right answer because will learn future हो जाएगा. Learnt ये भी नहीं होगा because it is past tense. Nowadays he is asking about two things, present indefinite. So nowadays which tense we can use? He has just hired a typewriter and he is learning type nowadays. So it must be typing. He is learning typing, typing. The question is having some mistake. Is learning typing nowadays will be the right answer. By 2025 he dashed in this company for 10 years. He is talking about 2025. So it is the future action and it is telling about perfect tense because time is also mentioned here. Future perfect continuous tense will be used here because it is said that you can check out the formula for and since is used in the perfect continuous tense and he is talking about future tense. So which tense will be followed? Future perfect continuous. So what is the formula for framing the future perfect continuous tense? That is will have been plus V4 form of the verb. Where is will have been here? One sentence is having will have been. Here there is no been, so this is not the right answer. Has been, it is also not the right answer. Will work, it is also not the right answer. So what will be the right answer? Will have been working in this company for 10 years. So the 19th question is the train dashed before they reach the station. Before they reach the station something has happened here. So the train is departing, छूट रही थी, नहीं होता है. was departing नहीं होता है. will have departed हो चुकी होगी, ये भी नहीं होगा. has departed will be the right answer. The train has departed before they reach the station. Let's move with some more questions. Here are some more questions. The 20th question is they dashed out to play after they had completed their classwork. So what the action? This action has happened. It means it is the past action because had completed the word is used here. Past perfect it is. So that previous sentence will be past indefinite. So where is past indefinite? Have run? No, it is not past indefinite. Will run? No, it is future indefinite. Run, it is present indefinite. Ran is the past indefinite. So that's why A option is the right one here. He was in the bathroom when he dashed the doorbell. So when it is connected with when. So he was in the bathroom, past indefinite, and the next sentence will also be in the past indefinite. He was in the bathroom when he rang the bell. Ring will not be the right answer because present indefinite hota hai. Is ringing is present continuous, so it is also not a right answer. Han it is mentioned, actually it must be has rung, so it will also not be the right option because it is also present perfect tense. He dash a better job next month. He is talking about next month. Next month is the future, सो दैट्स वाई विच विल बी द राइट आंसर, जहाँ पे विल है वही ऑप्शन रहेगा ऑब्वियसली, तो एक ही ऑप्शन में विल है, तो हमारा राइट आंसर क्या होगा, ही विल गेट ए बेटर जॉब नेक्स्ट मंथ विल बी द राइट आंसर. She dash when the phone rang. So when it is there and it is rang, past tense is there. So whenever that one sentence is past indefinite and the previous sentence will be, yes, already we have learnt this rule, that is past continuous tense. She was cooking when the phone rang. So was cooking is the right answer. He went into the hostel, see what students, so actually here it must be to see. He went into the hostel to see what students, he went, past indefinite is there, so he went into the hostel to see what students dash did, was doing, are doing. So he went into the hostel to see what students are doing. Yes, to see what the students are doing will be the right option. Did is not the right answer, are doing will be the right answer, because देखो यहाँ पे क्या करने के लिए he went into the hostel to see what students are doing, क्योंकि क्या कर रहे हैं वो देखने के लिए गया था. So that's why present continuous tense will be the right answer. While he dash in the garden, it began to rain. While से है यहाँ पे, it began to rain है. See, while he dash in the garden, it began, begin का past tense है began. while से connected है तो कौन सा tense use होगा, yes exactly past continuous. Was watering, while he was watering in the garden it began to rain. past indefinite है तो यहाँ पे कौन सा चलेगा बेटा, yes exactly past continuous चलेगा, so was watering is the right answer. When I reached the station I found that Mamata dash for me. When I reached the station तो past indefinite है, reached और when से connected है, so I found Mamata dash for me what she, that past continuous चलेगा तो past continuous कहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहा है, yes exactly यहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहा है. was waiting so is the right answer. I opened the door and saw that it, I opened the door past tense चल रहा है बेटा. I opened the door and saw और देखा, क्या देखा, it has rained, rained were raining, was raining, it has rained. कोलंबस डैश अमेरिका, तो ये तो पता है हम लोगों को कि कोलंबस डैश अमेरिका, वी नो इट वेरी वेल कि कोलंबस तो आज है नहीं, तो ये तो पास्ट की बात है, तो डिस्कवर्ड होगा, हैज़ डिस्कवर्ड तो नहीं होगा, डिस्कवर्स तो नहीं होगा, नन ऑफ दिस भी नहीं होगा, डिस्कवर्ड विल बी द राइट आंसर बिकॉज कोलंबस तो पास्ट में था. एन ऑनेस्ट मैन ऑलवेज डैश द ट्रूथ. So honest man always, it is talking about always, so it means it is present indefinite tense because it is having honest always. So an honest man के साथ present indefinite में क्या आएगा, V1 उसके साथ yes और es आएगा. That rule you may remember that. So here speaks is the right option because यहाँ पे इसके साथ yes लगा हुआ है. Spoke is the past tense तो नहीं यूज़ होगा यहाँ पे. Speaking continuous भी नहीं यूज़ होगा because always बोला गया है. Speak भी नहीं यूज़ होगा because उसके साथ yes और es नहीं है, it is talking about an honest man. So that's why यहाँ पे yes या es आना ज़रूरी होता है. 30th question is she dash born in 1995. So it is not about today, so it is past tense. So born use कर रहे हैं तो past tense कहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे has तो past tense नहीं है, present वाला है, is भी past tense नहीं है, present वाला है, had एक है और was है. he had born in 1995 तो हम बोल नहीं सकते हैं because चुके थे नहीं बोलते हैं, पैदा हुए, that is the past indefinite tense. So he was born in 1995 will be the right answer. Was यहाँ पे हमारा right हो जाएगा. My wife always dash in the evening. So यहाँ पे my wife always बोला गया है, तो कौन सा tense चलेगा यहाँ पे? Yes, very good dear. कौन सा चलेगा? Present indefinite, क्योंकि always बोला गया है. तो यहाँ पे my wife थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है, तो इसकी वजह से कुक तो आएगा नहीं हमारा, तो क्या आएगा फिर? कुक्स आएगा. वेरी गुड, कुक्स. क्यों? क्योंकि my wife क्या है हमारा? थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है, तो इसके साथ क्या यूज़ होगा? कुक्स होगा. इज कुकिंग नहीं होगा बिकॉज कंटिन्यूस नहीं चल रहा है. हैज़ कुकड नहीं होगा बिकॉज परफेक्ट भी नहीं है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ही डैश ए कोट बिकॉज इट इज़ रेनिंग. It is very cold today. It is talking about today present and it is present tense. So he wear तो नहीं होगा because present, अगर से present है तो हमारा wears होता. He wears a coat because it is very cold today. तो today cold है, वो पहनता है, ऐसे नहीं होगा. is wearing, yes exactly, wearing पहन रहा है क्योंकि cold है आज. So that will be the meaning. Has worn नहीं होगा, वो wears भी नहीं होगा. Look there, he dash after the chief हो गया. Actually it must be thief, thief, thief. So look there, he dash after the thief. So he look there, जब भी हमारे पास look there आ रहा है तो it must be in the present continuous dear. So that's why यहाँ पे present continuous की identity कहाँ है? यहाँ पे है V4 लग रहा है हमारा और is है, तो that's why is running will be the right answer. Next questions. Question number 34 we have to start from. 34th question. An iron ball dash on water. So iron ball है तो क्या होगा वो? Do not float, not floats, does not float and none of these. देखिए an iron ball की बात कर रहे हैं और ये जनरल ट्रूथ है. dash float on water क्या होगा? वाटर के ऊपर फ्लोट करेगा? नहीं करेगा. एंड आयरन बॉल डू नॉट तो नहीं होगा बिकॉज ये थर्ड पर्सन है, थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर, इट कंसीडर होगा आयरन बॉल. सो दैट्स वाई डू नॉट नहीं आएगा उसके साथ. क्या आएगा फिर? डज नॉट आएगा. यस एग्जैक्टली, डज नॉट आएगा क्योंकि ये आयरन बॉल थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर है. इट कंसीडर करेंगे हम. बॉल डज नॉट फ्लोट ऑन वाटर. दिस इज द जनरल ट्रूथ एंड इट इज नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. He will go out play when the rain dash. When he will go out dash only when the rain, yes, is stopping, stops, stopped, stops. So which one will be the right option? He will go out only when the rain, yes, stops. That B and D options are similar, so any one we can choose that stops. Hardly dash the minister finished his speech when the earthquake dashed the stadium. Hardly क्या हुआ था? मिनिस्टर का स्पीच ख़त्म ही हुआ था. फिनिश्ड आ गया यहाँ पे, V3 फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज़ हुआ है. सो दैट्स वाई हैड का यूज़ करेंगे हम. हार्डली हैड द मिनिस्टर फिनिश्ड हिज स्पीच व्हेन द earthquake shook the stadium. when से कनेक्टेड है, shook earthquake आया हुआ है, तो डैश स्टेडियम है, shook the stadium will be the right answer. Sheena dashed not the plants yesterday. So शीना है और yesterday की बात चल रही है तो it is past tense. so past कहाँ पे यूज़ हो रहा है? does तो present वाला, ये तो होता ही नहीं. फिर यहाँ पे भी does यूज़ हो रहा है, ये भी wrong हो गया हमारा आंसर. did watered, did आ रहा है तो watered आएगा नहीं क्योंकि V2, ये did भी V2 और watered भी V2, दोनों V2 नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हम. so what will be the right answer? Sheena did not water the plants yesterday will be the right option. The earth dash around the sun in its own orbit. So it is telling about general fact, general truth it is. So which tense will be used? Yes, present indefinite. The earth dash around the sun. Rotated, ये तो past हो गया तो ये wrong हो गया आंसर. Had been rotating, past perfect continuous tense, नहीं आएगा ये भी. was rotating, ये भी नहीं होगा. rotates, yes exactly, ये right होगा because the earth rotates around the sun in its own orbit. बेटा एक्चुअली यहाँ पे ये वॉच रोटेटिंग नहीं, वाज रोटेटिंग ऑप्शन होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, my father dash in ONGC for 35 years in January 2023. It is all talking about 2023, means it is about future. So for 35 years it is showing that it will be perfect continuous tense. Future perfect continuous tense, where it is will have been working will be the future perfect continuous, so it will be the answer. Last question is Samit dash when I called him yesterday evening. So it is talking about yesterday evening. When I called, so past indefinite, it is connected with when, so which tense it will be? Yes, very good. So it will be past continuous tense. Sumit was sleeping. This will be the right answer and there will be no I here. Sumit was sleeping when I called him yesterday evening. Slept नहीं होगा, will sleep नहीं होगा, will have been sleeping भी नहीं होगा. I hope that you have come to know which type of questions will come to your examination and how to solve them. Thanks for watching the video.